Hello, this is the Daily Forex Report for January 31st. We are looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair first. This pair gapped a little bit on the open, did retrace that gap. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 82.61, possibly as low as 81.50. Look for some resistance around 82.31 and look for some support around 81.81. Now the Euro USD moved to the upside. It did fill its gap, closed higher. Overall, this pair so far is moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 138.60, possibly as low as 134.91. Look for some resistance around 137.56 and look for some support around 135.37. Okay, now the pound US dollar pair. This pair moved higher. It's been moving sideways. We are looking for it to continue moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 162.07, possibly as low as 157.44. Look for some resistance around 160.50 and look for some support around 158.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed higher. It's been moving sideways for the past couple of days. It had a downward movement. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 0.9531, possibly as low as 0.9309. Look for some resistance around 0.9480 and look for some support around 0.9365. Now, as far as news announcements, we have the U.S. ISM manufacturing data for January being released at 10 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus on that one is that it has risen from 57 to 57.9. Now, I do have three quick trades for you. What I mean by quick is they're quick little scalping type trades. If you look at the U.S. Swiss on the 4-hour time frame, we have a swing trade opportunity that's been created right here. Draw our trend line, look for a potential buy. If you back out a little bit, you can see that we have an area of resistance and support that's been created right around this mark. You can see here we have an area right here of resistance and then support here. So around here in this point, I do believe it will come up and move through that fairly quick over the next 4 hours. We've got potential here to grab about 30 pips. Now on the pound US dollar pair, it's a little bit quicker trade, taking this low that's been formed in this high, basically this window right here that's been created, looking to grab roughly about 14 pips out of that. Not a lot, but it is a very, very quick trade, and I could see this particular pair pulling back through that area very, very quickly. And we have one last one in the Euro USD. This particular pair moved higher pretty quick and has pulled back. Similar type setup to the pound. We're looking to grab just a couple of pips in the middle. In this particular case, we're looking to grab right around the 17 mark, 15 mark, in that area of pips as this pair pulls back. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.